to my channel. This is Fatima Dhafrani. So these days I am into recruiting process for my school, and there is something which made me shoot this video. I'll tell you what. So I have received many applications via mail, and to my surprise, majority of them are not even in proper format. This is so shocking to see that the candidates who have applied for the post of teachers are not even bothered to compose a mail in proper format. You know, there is a standard format to write a mail that includes subject line, greetings, introduction, main body, conclusion, complimentary closures, and signature. But there are few who don't follow this. This is so annoying to see people not writing proper mails because first, I am into teaching English and communication skill, and second, I'm so particular into writing mails that I check multiple times before sending it. People who are working with me knows this very well, that how much I love to write the mails, especially the one giving deadlines. So after seeing all these, I tried to find out the reasons that why people do so. And this is not the first time that I have seen people doing it. I have seen many people who are having years of experience and who are professionals does the same mistake. Why? The possible reasons could be carelessness, or they are least bothered, or they are lacking in writing skills that they don't try to learn, or the lack of knowledge, or the common one, काम चल रहा है तो चलने दो. I wish I could say them कि नहीं भाई ऐसा नहीं चलता. You are into profession, you should be so perfect in whatsoever work you do. Anyways, after seeing all these, I have decided that I'll share a video in which I'll be sharing few tips about how to write an email so that it could be some help to the people around me. Also, the big announcement is that I have organized a workshop on Master the Art of Email Writing, which is on 20th May 2023, means next Sunday. So, if you want to become a pro in email writing, enroll this workshop now. I have added the link in the description, so enroll now and secure your spot today. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.